Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Baseus Eli Sport 1 on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Baseus. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. I have read. Now you can log in into your account or you can just enter like a guest. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!